here from the Stellar Guitarist, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be teaching you how to play Bejeweled from Taylor Swift's brand new album Midnights. If this is something you'd be interested in learning, then stick around and let's get into the lesson. So the first thing to take note of is that the song is in standard tuning and we will not be needing a capo today. There are 4 chords used throughout the entire song, making Bejeweled super beginner friendly. The main chord progression, which is used during the verses, the chorus and the bridge, are C major, D minor, A minor, and G major. Let's play those chords again in succession, starting on C major, D minor, A minor, and G major. Now moving on to the strumming pattern, we're going to be using the same strumming pattern throughout the entire song, and it sounds like this. Down, down, up, up, down, down. Down, down, up, up, down, down. When we add in the chords, we need to split the pattern over 2 chords. So, for example, starting on the C major, C will get 2 down strums, and the D minor will get the up, up, down, down. So again, C gets 2, D minor, and the same is true for the A minor to the G. So starting on A minor, it will get the first 2 down strums, and G major will get the up, up, down, down. So from A minor. So why don't you go grab your guitar and let's put those 4 chords and that 1 strumming pattern all together and see how it sounds. So starting on that C major, 1, 2, 3, go. There is a second progression that happens in the song during the pre-chorus. This is the part of the song where Taylor Swift sings, "And by the way, I'm going out tonight." And the chords we're going to be using in that section are an F major 7 and a G major. When it comes to the strumming pattern in this section of the song, we're going to use an entire strumming pattern per chord. So on that F major, it will get the entire strumming pattern. Down, down, up, up, down, down. Then we change to G and we repeat the same thing. Down, down, up, up, down, down. And by the way, I'm going out tonight. Right guys, once you put all of that together, you can play Bejeweled by Taylor Swift. All there is left to do now is a mini playthrough. 1, 2, 3, go. Baby love, I think I've been a little too kind. Didn't notice you walking all over my peace of mind. And the shoes I gave you as a present, putting someone first only works when you're in their top 5. And by the way, I'm going out tonight. Thank you so much for watching today's tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed the lesson. If you've got any other requests that you'd like to learn from the Midnight album, then go ahead and drop them down in the comment section below. And like always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notifications button, and also hit the like button for this video. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a great day, everyone. Bye!